one of the things to work with intent is the importance of moving into higher frequency. So we're going to do that inside of a meditative space, inside of a space of awareness and conscious opening of our field. So we can set aside for the moment our pens and papers, anything else around us, so that we can move fully into being, in the beingness and all that's available to us. I invite you to close your eyes such that the awareness moves into the inner space. And it's within us that we access the power in our minds, the power of our minds. These higher mental faculties become available to us in a space of presence and awareness. We'll use our breath to connect us to being in this moment. I invite you to even have your hands resting with your palms open in a gesture of openness, of opening. And we breathe into our heart in a conscious welcoming of our soul consciousness. You as soul. Breathe with that. Experience this divinity that inhabits your body, your being. Feel the love of your soul. Profound, infinite, expansive love. Unbounded love. We open ourselves to listen, to receive, to begin to dialogue with our soul as soul.
And envision being soul. Majestic, sparkling. Soul as one with all of creation. Soul as open to all higher frequencies. In partnership with our guides, our gang, all that is. I am all that is. Being soul. Being soul, appreciating this body. Being soul, appreciating this incarnation. Appreciating the human experience. Being soul as freedom. dancing in the light, emanating light, emanating love. Embracing the personality, accepting the personality, accepting all situations and all consciousness. Accepting positive, accepting what we call negative, as if there was negative and positive in this Leah of consciousness. What is soul saying to the personality? Sometimes it comes as whispers, sometimes as loud. What is soul saying?
Our breath, we open to listen, to receive, and to allow. Allowing ourselves simply to open. Each one of us, as soul, had that clear intent when incarnating onto the planet at this time. And that intent is available for us to tap into, be aware of, align with in each moment as we move through time and space. And so in this moment, we invite you to open to soul intent, to the messages, the communication of ourselves as soul. It can be an impulse, in feeling, through our own thoughts, and also in writing, allowing ourselves to be open to the conduit of writing, to become more aware and to allow.